The Helium 10 FBA Profitability Calculator is a tool designed to help Amazon sellers estimate their net profit and return on investment for products sold through Fulfillment by Amazon. It takes into account various costs, including the cost of goods sold, selling price, Amazon fees such as referral, FBA, and storage, shipping costs, and any other expenses. For example, with a COGS of $10, selling price of $25, and fees of $8, the net profit would be $7. As of November 2025, the calculator has been updated to reflect the latest Amazon fee structures, including the October 2025 FBA fee adjustments that increased storage and referral fees by 5 to 10% in some categories. These changes affect profitability calculations and are shown in the tool's interface. To use the calculator effectively, input accurate data for COGS, selling price, and all relevant fees. Ensure you are using real-time Amazon fee data, which can be synced using Helium 10's Data Sync feature. Also, account for VAT and taxes for international sales and factor in potential lost sales due to out-of-stock situations or A to Z guarantee claims. The tool helps determine the break-even price, which is vital for pricing strategies. To maximize profitability and ROI, the most significant impact comes from ensuring you have all the right numbers. Always input accurate cost of goods sold, selling prices, and all Amazon fees. Use the Scenario Builder mode to test different pricing strategies. This feature allows you to simulate various selling prices and see how they affect your net profit and ROI in real time. As of 2025, AI integration in the calculator helps predict fee changes based on Amazon's quarterly updates. This automation saves time and ensures your calculations stay current. Be sure to incorporate sustainability fees for eco-friendly products, as these are now factored into calculations and can affect categories like home goods. An example of the tool in action is an electronics seller who adjusted prices after a 7% referral fee hike. This increased net profit from $4 to $7 per unit and ROI from 40% to 70%. Bundling products can significantly improve ROI by reducing repeated fees. A toy seller achieved 183% ROI through bundling compared to 80% on individual sales. During seasonal events like Prime Day, use the tool to simulate price drops and assess potential ROI dips if fees spike. This helps maintain profitability during high-volume periods. Jungle Scout CEO Greg Mercer emphasizes that calculators reduce guesswork, while Helium 10 CEO Adi Moore highlights the tool's AI layer for adapting to Amazon's 2025 fee surge. Always monitor trends and regularly update your inputs with the latest data and Amazon fee changes for the most accurate results.